Today we'll complete this chapter, that is chapter number 12, perimeter and area. We have done with practice set 49 and now the last part, that is practice set 50. But before starting that practice set, I would like to tell you some formula which are related to practice set 50. So let us see the formula. Need to write all the formula in their notebook. Everyone will write the formula in their notebook and then we'll proceed with the next part. Okay. Now in this practice set 50, we are going to learn the formula, that is the area of a rectangle. Now what is the formula? What we are going to use when we are finding the area of a rectangle? Now area of a rectangle means it is length multiplied by breadth. What is the formula for area of a rectangle? Now you know very well the shape of the rectangle is like this, having length and also breadth. Now in perimeter of a rectangle, we have learned the formula, that is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. But it is different. Area of a rectangle is only length into breadth. Area of a rectangle is what? Formula of area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Length will be given, breadth will be given. They are going to tell you to find out the area of a rectangle. Okay. Now next is area of a square. Now what is the formula for area of a square? That is side multiplied by side, or length of a side multiplied by length of a side. So here square having the all the sides same, all the sides are same. So in when we are finding the area of a square, we have to multiply this side multiplied by this side, or else we can write length of the side multiplied by length of the side. आप ये दोनों भी लिख सकते हो, या तो साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड भी फॉर्मूला लिख सकते हो. Clear? So what is the formula when we are using area of a square? Area of a square is side multiplied by side, or length of side multiplied by length of side. So here with the help of these two formula, we are going to start with our problem set 50. That is the last part of this chapter. Okay. Now write it down, this formula, in your notebook. Everyone will write down this formula in their notebook, and you are going to learn this formula within a minute, or the last 5 to 10 minutes. I will ask the formula, all the formula which I have explained from starting to the end part. Clear? Yes. Now problem set 50. Problem set 50, question number 1 is, the length of side of each square is given below. Find its area. Here क्या दिया है? साइड दिया है, आपको फाइंड आउट करना है एरिया. साइड दिया है, आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? एरिया. So first one, it is given 12 meter. Now 12 meter means we have to write the formula of area of a square. Area of a square का formula now only I have explained you. Area of a square is side multiplied by side. So एक side कितना दिया है? 12. तो 12 को वापस से multiply करना है 12 से. Now I'll show you the multiplication. 12 multiply by 12. 12 को किससे multiply करना है? 12, because it is given in the formula area of a square is side multiply by side, or length of a side multiply by length of a side. बट आपको मैंने शॉर्ट भी बताया था कि आप अगर साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड भी लिखेंगे, दैट इज ऑल्सो राइट. तो साइड कितना था मेरा? एक साइड था 12, तो 12 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12. नाउ 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. मल्टीप्लीकेशन करना है. 0 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Add it. 4 4 1. So what we got? 144 square meter. 144 square meter. Why we have to write down S cube? बिकॉज सेंटीमीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर कितनी बार लिखा है? 2 बार लिखा है. 2 बार मतलब इट इज कॉल्ड एज स्क्वायर. इट इज कॉल्ड एज स्क्वायर. सो विल यूज द शॉर्टकट SQ centimeter. SQ centimeter. Clear? Understood how you got the answer? That is 12 multiplied by 12 is 144 square meter. So everyone will write down their sums, first sum in the notebook. Now you people will try to solve the second question. Now second question is what? Second question is 6 centimeter. Chalo, start solving 6 centimeter and I want to know the answers in the chat box. I'm giving you 1 minute for solving the second question. It's very easy. Use all the formula. यूज करना है, अप्लाई करना है, वैल्यूज पुट करने हैं एंड आई वांट आंसर. वेरी गुड कृतिका, you have given the right answer. Yes, very good. Yes, okay, very nice. Aniket also right. Now roll number 21 to 30, raise your hand. Today is your turn. I want to ask the steps. Okay, yes. Vedant, Vedanti, I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now you tell me the steps. I have written the question to 6 centimeter. Now what will be the next step?
Teacher, I joined now only.
Okay, you join now only. Okay, okay. Then just see what are the steps and mute yourself.
Sorry, teacher.
Oh, okay. Now I'll give chance to Manvi. Manvi, I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now you tell me the steps.
Okay. First, we will write area of a square.
Okay, just wait. I have to write it down. Na? Area of a square. Area of a square
is equal to side multiplied by side.
Side multiplied by side. Okay. Next step.
6 multiplied by 6.
6 multiplied by 6. Okay. Then answer.
Teacher, I am doing that only.
6 6 is what?
6 6 when 6 6 is 30.
What? 30?
36.
Very good. So 6 6 is 36. Now 36, what I will write? Square centimeter or square meter?
Square meter.
By meter, here is centimeter. Na? Question में centimeter दिया है. So I have to write 36 square centimeter. Clear everyone? Okay, mute yourself, beta. Okay. I hope everyone has understood the second sums also. Now I'll give the third question. चलो सब लोग अभी third question solve करेंगे. I'm giving here only question. You have to solve it, and I'll unmute any other student. Now third question is 25 meter. 1 minute for solving the sums, and then I'll ask you. Okay, chalo start. What are the next steps?
First, area of
square. Just wait a minute. I have to write it down, na? Okay. Area of a square. Now area of a square is
side by side.
Side multiply by side. Okay, I'll write S. You people have to write full form SIDE. Okay, next step.
25 multiplied by 25.
25 multiplied by 25. Okay.
Answer is 625 square meter.
625 square meter. Very good. That is right. 625. See, do the multiplication properly. 25 should multiply by 25 only. Okay, everyone. Okay, right है आप लोगों का. You can mute yourself. So I think most of the students have given me the right answer. Who have done little mistake, just redo and do it one more time. Okay. Now we'll see the next sum. Chalo, now next one for you people is, next question is 18 centimeter. Chalo, start doing. And now I want answers in the chat box. I'm not going to do the sums in the board. I'm going to ask you the answers in the chat box. 18 centimeter. Students have given me the right answer. That is, the answer is 324 square centimeter. What is the answer? 324 square centimeter. No, Swara Shinde, 308 is wrong. Multiply 18 by 18, you will get proper answer, that is 324. So here we have done with our first sum. Now we'll move for the second sum, that is our word problem sum. Yes, we have done with first, second, all the sum. Now we'll proceed with the word problem sum. I'm going to read the question. See here, if the cost of, now listen the question properly, huh? If the cost of 1 square meter of a plot of land is 900 rupees, find the total cost of plot of land that is 25 meter long and 20 meter broad. Here क्या दिया है, यहाँ पे क्या बताया, 1 square meter जो प्लॉट का है, प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड. लैंड मीन्स इट इज इन द शेप ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. ये आपको समझना है, आपको समझ के बताना है कि वो रेक्टेंगल है कि स्क्वायर है, और वी हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ रेक्टेंगल और स्क्वायर. नाउ हियर इट इज गिवन दैट कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 square meter, 1 square meter प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड कितना है, 900 रुपीज का. 1 square meter का कॉस्ट बताया है 900. They told us to find out the total cost of a plot of land. टोटल कॉस्ट उनको बताना है where 25 meter is long and 20 meter is broad. 25 meter long है और 20 meter broad है. Clear? Now we can see over here, we'll start with the sum. Now in the solution, we know that it is a rectangular plot of land. So we'll find first the area of a rectangular plot. The area of a rectangular plot is how much? Length should multiply by breadth. Length should multiply by breadth. That is our area of a rectangular plot. Twos are 0. Rule according to rule 1 0. 2 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Now add it, we are getting answer that is 500. So 500 square meter मतलब जो हमारा प्लॉट था वो कितना बड़ा था, 500 मीटर, 500 स्क्वायर मीटर बड़ा था. Now we have to now multiply this 500 by 900 because they told us that 1 square meter का कॉस्ट कितना है, 500. सॉरी 1 square meter प्लॉट का कॉस्ट क्या है, 900. हमारे पास कितने प्लॉट थे, कितने स्क्वायर मीटर प्लॉट थे, we having 500 square meter plot. So what we have to do, we have to multiply 500 by 900. So what will be our statement? Our statement will be cost of a plot of land. Cost of plot of a land, that is area of a plot should multiply by weight. Area of a plot कितना है हमारा, 500. 500 को multiply किससे करना है, 900 से. See here the multiplication, 500 should multiply by 900. Now multiply करना है 0 0 जा 0, 0 0 जा 0, 0 5 जा 0. According to rule 1 0, 0 0 जा 0, 0 0 जा 0, 0 5 जा 0. फिर हम लोग कितना जीरो लोगे 2 0. 9 0 जा 0, 9 0 जा 0, 9 5 जा 45. ऐड करो, ऐड करके क्या आएगा 0 0 0 0 4 and 5. So what we got? We got 4,50,000 rupees. What we got? We got 4,50,000. Clear? यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में बताया था कि एक स्क्वायर मीटर का कॉस्ट है 900. ऐसा ही उनके पास कितना है? लेंथ was 25 and breadth was 20. So we have used a formula first, that is area of a rectangular plot, length into breadth. Multiply किया, we got answer that is 500. Now 500 क्या मिला हमको? We got 500 square meter. तो हमको क्या करना था? What we have to do? We have to multiply that by one cost. One cost कितना था? 900. So 900 multiplied by 500, we are getting 4,50,000. So our main aim, what was the cost of the plot of land? The total cost of plot of land is rupees 4,50,000. Clear everyone? Okay. Now you can copy down the sums in your notebook. Question is already in the textbook. Okay, now we'll see the next sum. The next sum is the third one, that is the side of a square is 4 centimeter. Now side of a square, square का side दिया है 4 centimeter. The length of a rectangle is 8 centimeter and its width is 2 centimeter. Length कितना बोला है? 8 centimeter और width कितना बोला है? 2 centimeter. Find the perimeter and the area of both figure. Now here in this question they told us to find out area as well as the perimeter of both the figure. Means both the figure here it is square as well as rectangle. Clear? Now in this question square का sums का भी हमको करना है और rectangle का भी करना है. दो यहाँ पे हमको कितना टोटल सम्स करना है? 4. There here we are going to bifurcate the sums in 4 parts. First we have to find out the perimeter of a square and area of a square. Then we have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle and area of a rectangle. Clear everyone? So there are 4 parts in this sum. Okay. Now we'll start with the first part. Here in this question given 4 centimeter. Side of a square is 4 centimeter. यहाँ पे हम ये पहला sum देखेंगे, that is the side of the square is 4 centimeter. First we'll apply the perimeter of a square. Now perimeter of a square we have done already in the practice set 49. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Now side कितना दिया है? 4. So 4 को multiply करना है 4 से. 4 4 is how much? 16. 4 4 is 16 centimeter. So here we have find out the perimeter of a square. Now we have to find out the area of a square. Now area of a square is side multiplied by side. Now side कितना था? 4. So 4 should multiply by 4. So 4 4 is how much? 4 4 is 16. So it will be 16 square centimeter because area में हमको क्या लिखना था? Square centimeter. ऐसे ही हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? Perimeter of a rectangle and area of a rectangle. There we have to do 4 sums. यहाँ पे हमको 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है. Both the figure means both the figure हमारा होता है square as well as rectangle. So first we have find out the square. Now we'll find out the rectangle. Okay. Write it down these sums in your notebook. It is not full. It is not completed. It is half only. First we'll do half part and then we'll write down the half part. Okay, now next next two remaining part we are going to do it. Now we have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. See, perimeter of a rectangle में length is also given and breadth is also given. Length कितना दिया था 8 सेंटीमीटर और breadth कितना दिया था 2 सेंटीमीटर. It is already given in the question that find the that the length of a rectangle is 8 centimeter and its wide is 2 centimeter. We have to write the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Now length kitna tha? Length was 8, so 2 multiply by 8 plus 2 into 2, that means breadth was given 2, that we have written 2 multiply by 2. Now 2 8 is 16 and 2 2 is 4. Now 16 plus 4, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what we got? We got 20 centimeter. We got perimeter of a rectangle, that is 20 centimeter. Now we have to write down the formula of area of a rectangle. Now area of a rectangle is how much? Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Length कितना है 8 centimeter. Breadth कितना है 2 centimeter. Now 8 should multiply by 2. 8 2 is how much? 8 2 is 16. So here we got the area of a rectangle, that is 16 square centimeter. What we got? 16 square centimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle we got, that is 20 centimeter, and area of a rectangle we got, that is 16 square centimeter. Clear everyone? We have to use the formula. Whatever they ask, we should know. Ekdam fast, quickly we should know which formula here we have to apply. Now, a length and breadth is given. If they told to find out perimeter, so perimeter of rectangle we have to use. Length and breadth is given. If they told to find out the area of a rectangle, so area of a rectangle formula you people will use. Clear everyone? So here we have completed our chapter, that is perimeter and area. Okay, now I'll stop my screen.